Hi, and welcome back to the Canvas Crash Course. In this video, we're going to learn how to submit an assignment. So first, you're going to enter into the course you want to submit the assignment in. Navigate to Modules. If you don't know how to use modules, please refer to the Canvas Crash Course video on modules. And we're going to navigate to the assignment that we are wanting to submit. Quick assignment information is available directly below the assignment name. For example, if your instructor has put a due date on the assignment, you can see it just below the assignment name, as well as with the points associated with the assignment. Now, let's navigate to the assignment we want to submit, which is the Week 7-8 Final Informative Speech Outline. To submit this assignment, click into it. From there, you are met with the Details pane as well as the Submission pane. The details are the instructions for the assignment, and it is very important that you read them thoroughly. Below this, we can choose our submission type. We can either upload a file, navigate to Canvas Studio and upload a video, or go to More and use external features such as Google Apps. For this assignment, we're going to be uploading a file. Most assignments you see, you will be uploading a file, either in the format of a Google Doc or a Word doc. It is important for all Mac users out there, you cannot use the Pages file type on Canvas. Additionally, make sure to use Google Chrome while using Canvas. Different web browsers such as Safari or Firefox do not work as well, and you will run into issues. Now, we are ready to submit our assignment, so we can go down here and drag a file to upload, or just click on it. I navigated to the folder in which I want to upload from, and I can select Informative Speech Outline. Click Open, and now your file is uploaded. It is important to note that some assignments may require specific file extensions. And what I mean by that is below here there will be small text that say the file must be in .docx format or .doc format. In other words, this restricts what kind of files you can upload to make sure you're uploading the right thing. This one does not have that. So what we can do is, now that we're happy with our submission, all we do is go down here and click Submit Assignment. Now our assignment is submitted. We can see a preview of our assignment here. Our next step is wait for our instructor to grade our assignment and give us feedback. If you have questions on how to review your grades or how to look at feedback for your assignments, please refer to those videos in the Canvas Crash Course. Thank you for watching.